Let's talk about star power, baby. That magical aura that surrounds certain actors, drawing audiences in like moths to a flame. Even a recognizable face in a supporting role can make a world of difference. It's like sprinkling gold dust on your movie poster. A familiar name can be the difference between obscurity and a distribution deal. Think about it. You're scrolling through Netflix, bombarded by endless choices. Which are you more likely to click on? Because star power, my friends, is a double-edged sword. Yes, a recognizable face can open doors, but it can also slam them shut if you're not careful. See, those big names, they come with big expectations and big price tags. We're talking about agents, managers, and lawyers, oh my. And then there's the whole SAG-AFTRA thing. For those not in the know, SAG-AFTRA is the Screen Actors Guild American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, basically the union that protects actors' rights. And while it's amazing that actors have these protections, it also means more paperwork, more regulations, and potentially more costs for you. Suddenly, your shoestring budget is stretched even thinner, and you're left scrambling to make ends meet. And let's not forget about the potential for creative clashes. Big-name actors, they often have big opinions, and those opinions might not always align with your vision. So, before you go all in on star power, weigh the pros and cons. Can you afford their rates? Are you willing to navigate the complexities of union contracts? Are you prepared to potentially compromise on your artistic vision? These are questions only you can answer.